Using infinitives with want, like, and need. This woman is thinking, I like to watch movies. I want to watch a movie right now, but I need to finish this report. Like to watch, want to watch, need to finish. In this lesson, we are going to look at how we use like, want, and need with another verb, and we're calling this kind of verb an infinitive. An infinitive is a verb in simple form with the word to. So you already know a lot of verbs. To wave, to study, to swim. These are all infinitives because they have to. To travel, to eat, to give. They're just the simple form with the word to. To love, to buy, to help. Use an infinitive after want, like, and need when you want to use a verb. So look, I want an apple. Apple is a noun. But in the second sentence, I want to eat an apple. To eat is the verb. It's the infinitive of the verb eat, just because it's the simple form with the word to. Here are some sentences with likes. Maggie likes the ocean. The ocean is a noun. She likes to jump in the waves, and to jump is the verb in the infinitive. Jane needs an aspirin for her headache. Aspirin is the noun. And she needs to finish a project at work. To finish is the verb. Let's look at more examples. Mia likes to paint. She needs to wash her hands. Likes to paint. We use the infinitive, likes to do something, and needs to. She needs to wash. Vic wants to find a new job. He needs to send his resume to companies. Wants, to find, needs, to send. Ingrid is nervous about her exam tomorrow. She really wants to get an A. She needs to calm down. Wants to get, needs to calm down. You may notice that the to is very small when I speak, but it's there. Here's an example in negative form. Michelle doesn't want to eat the vegetables. Doesn't want to eat. But her mother says, you need to finish the vegetables if you want to have dessert. Need to finish, want to have. Need and want need the infinitive after. Here are some examples in question form. I want to ask you some questions. Sure, what do you want to know? What did you like to play when you were a little girl? Here we have want to ask, what do you want to know, and what did you like to play? Look here, you see the want to? A lot of times when you hear spoken English, that sounds like wanna, but don't write wanna. I want to ask you some questions. The T almost disappears. Okay, you try. What's wrong here? She wants visit Hawaii someday. That's right. There's no to. We need to between wants and visit. We need the infinitive after wants. Here's another. Evan likes to listen to music. Ooh, we have an extra S here. The infinitive doesn't ever have a different ending. It's just the simple form with the word to. So don't put an S, don't put an ED ending, just listen. Evan likes to listen to music. He wants to be a musician. Now you know, use an infinitive after want, like, and need. And an infinitive is the verb with the word to. So here are your last examples. Do you like to study English? If you want to speak English well, you need to practice.